My name is Paulette Greaves, and this is Coggins Hill, where I'm living. The day on the 9th of May, the Chinese tractor run in. I didn't know it was what, but all that I feel, the house was shaking. I thought it was earthquake. I holler, help, help, help me. Anyhow, people running, Cowell people running. And all I hear, they're saying, oh God, put her to sit down. Look how she trembling. Look, she trembling. Give her some water. I couldn't even drink the water. I feel. My God, I was sitting. I could have died in this house. And these people got their heart rended, but don't fix my house back. Now, when I can see it, then I realize it's the tractor running and damage up all my furniture, everything. All what I asking them for is to do my house. I'm begging the nation, I'm begging me and everybody to look into this matter and let come in my house.
But hold on, they have rebuilt the house, but there are issues with the construction. So talk to us about that.
It's issue the house want to do over. The foundation want to build properly. They do the foundation for the part where it's running and come and see it crack. It crack and it move in. It moving. So how could I come in a house like this? And I'm begging them, the Chinese, to please, please open your little eyes and come and do my house now. Look,
come and show us where the problem is.
What the Chinese they build. Look at it. It started to crack. Look, how could I come in out this? It started to move away. Huh? Oh God. Look. Please help me. Lord, please open my heart and help me and let me come in this house. It's hard. In no time I would have come in this house. Please, I'm begging all you. What more can I do? Just fix the house. All what the house want is to fix on the foundation. I was in the house. Whether what it was, it did there good. And I was living here for years. But when I did the front end loader come in and jam this house, everybody say that this house have to build over back. It not build over. Do the foundation, strengthen the foundation, then put back this house. And that is all I'm asking y'all. Please, I don't want no liar, nothing to come in. Please, I'm begging, do it for me. The house started to move. You see? The house moving from what they built. Look at that. From there. Look. You gonna tell me? Huh?
Let's go inside.
Let me kill this. Look, this is my bedroom. This was very neat. It is neat like all those rest. But since the tractor thing, all this, look what they left in my place to tell me to take over a house like this. Huh? Anybody watch? People that could come and see for themselves. Look that. All there. There. Then the thing they neat.
These are your items that have been damaged?
Yes, all these. This is set to the fall down. They've been on the cabinet, the high cabinet, you know, that I had. And it fall down. This fly sheet what they put on it. People say, this fly sheet, look, what I'm statical. So I am asking them, kindly, please, I'm begging them, please, 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 may they do what I say? Just raise my house and do the foundation and give me back my house. Let me come in.